Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendz TV, where we bring you the latest and most detailed car reviews from around the world. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a vehicle that has been making waves for its striking design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. Whether you're a fan of luxury SUVs or just enjoy seeing what's new in the automotive world, this video will cover everything from the exterior, interior, performance, pricing, and our final thoughts. So, buckle up and let's take a closer look at this remarkable SUV. Exterior. The exterior of the 2026 Lexus NX is bold, modern, and aggressive. Starting with the front, the new spindle grille dominates the face of the vehicle, larger and more angular than ever before, giving the NX a commanding presence on the road. The grille is framed by sharp, L-shaped LED daytime running lights that flow seamlessly into the sleek headlights, creating a futuristic and almost intimidating look. The front bumper is sculpted with angular air intakes that not only enhance its sporty appeal but also improve aerodynamics, while subtle chrome accents provide a touch of sophistication. The hood features prominent greases that give the vehicle a sense of motion even when standing still, reflecting Lexus' commitment to combining performance-inspired design with elegance. Every line and contour at the front has been carefully designed to create an impression of power and refinement. Moving to the side, the NX presents a dynamic and sleek profile. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette while maintaining the functionality of an SUV. Bold character lines extend from the front fenders to the rear, adding depth and visual interest, while the subtly flared wheel arches house wheels that range from 18 to 21 inches depending on the trim. The side mirrors are streamlined and equipped with integrated turn signals, and the flush door handles contribute to the clean, aerodynamic look. Chrome window trim adds a premium touch, balancing the aggressive body lines and enhancing the overall elegance of the design. The proportions are spot on, giving the NX a poised stance that looks equally at home on city streets or open highways. At the back, the 2026 NX continues its striking design language. The rear taillights are connected by a continuous LED light strip that spans the width of the SUV, creating a distinctive nighttime signature. The rear bumper has been sculpted with integrated reflectors and a subtle diffuser-like element, emphasizing the sporty aspect of the vehicle. Dual exhaust outlets peak from either side, further reinforcing the athletic character. The rear window features a gentle curve, complemented by a roof spoiler that improves aerodynamics while adding a sporty flair. Lexus has also refined practical aspects such as a smooth power liftgate, making loading and unloading effortless. Overall, the rear design successfully combines style, aggression, and functionality, ensuring the NX leaves a lasting impression from every angle. Interior. Inside, the 2026 NX showcases luxury, technology, and comfort in perfect harmony. The cabin is spacious, with generous headroom and legroom for front and rear passengers alike, making long drives more enjoyable. Premium leather upholstery is standard, with higher trims offering ventilated and heated seats for maximum comfort. The dashboard adopts a horizontal, minimalist design, highlighting a large touchscreen infotainment system at the center, fully compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Lexus' new interface is intuitive, combining touchscreen and remote touchpad controls for seamless operation. Ambient lighting is subtle and customizable, enhancing the overall atmosphere inside the cabin. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features conveniently placed controls for audio, cruise, and driver assistance functions. Behind the wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, including speed, fuel economy, navigation, and advanced driver assistance alerts. Storage is abundant, with large door pockets, a center console, and rear seat compartments. Lexus has also improved sound insulation, resulting in a quieter cabin experience, minimizing road and wind noise. The overall interior experience is a combination of sophistication, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, reflecting the premium nature of the NX. Performance-wise, The 2026 Lexus NX offers multiple powertrain options to suit different drivers. The base NX 250 comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine producing 275 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifts. For those seeking better fuel efficiency, the NX 350 hybrid combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, delivering a combined output of 240 horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel economy. Both engines can be paired with all-wheel drive, enhancing traction and handling on various road conditions. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort and sporty handling, ensuring confidence on both city streets and winding roads. Steering is precise, making driving the NX a fun and controlled experience. Safety and driver assistance technologies are comprehensive in the 2026 NX. Lexus has equipped the SUV with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automated emergency braking, and parking sensors, ensuring both driver and passenger safety. These systems work seamlessly, offering peace of mind without interfering with the driving experience. With these features, Lexus has ensured that the NX is not just stylish and comfortable but also highly practical and safe for everyday driving. Pricing for the 2026 NX is competitive for its segment. The base NX 250 starts at around $45,000, offering a solid set of features for a luxury SUV. The NX 350 hybrid begins at approximately $49,000, providing a more efficient option for eco-conscious drivers. For those looking for enhanced performance and additional luxury, the NX 350F Sport starts at about $55,000, and the fully loaded NX 500 Platinum can exceed $65,000 depending on optional packages. Considering its design, technology, performance, and brand value, the NX offers strong value in the premium compact SUV segment, rivaling competitors such as the BMW X3, Mercedes GLC, and Audi Q5. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus NX is a bold statement in the luxury SUV market. Its aggressive front grille, sleek side profile, and futuristic rear design create a visually stunning presence, while the interior provides comfort, luxury, and advanced technology. Multiple powertrain options cater to different driving styles, and the combination of comfort, handling, and safety features makes the NX a versatile choice. The pricing is competitive, and the range of trims ensures there is an NX for almost every type of buyer. Whether you're drawn to its aggressive looks, advanced interior, or reliable performance, the 2026 NX delivers a well-rounded package that makes it a compelling option in its segment. Thank you for watching this full review on Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews, and comment below with your thoughts on the 2026 Lexus NX. Do you think this is the SUV to beat in 2026? Or are there rivals that still edge it out? We love hearing your opinions, and will continue bringing you the most detailed reviews, insights, and first impressions from the world of cars. Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and stay tuned to Trendz TV for more in-depth automotive coverage.